ammunition to lobby for support, to lobby for funds. We have seen many potential success stories.
Then send a list of contacts and areas where they are staying, so that then the other counterparts are able to take over that and ensure that then remember they also have a family at the other side.
We've had cross-border collaboration committees to address TB management. We've had patients being tracked across the borders, and this has really improved the number of the detection of TB, getting hold of TB, and we've developed a robust referral mechanism so that we are able to track patients. These referral systems have also been digitalized, and we are working with our member states. We have managed to reduce the number of lost follow-up as a result of this partnership, and therefore we do feel and that the mortalities associated with TB is actually going down in amongst our countries, and this has greatly improved the TB treatment outcome.